The corn rally didn't last for long, but feeder cattle were back to their winning ways on Wednesday. AgDay's Michelle Rook has an update in markets now.
Well, corn and wheat were lower on Wednesday with soybeans and cattle to the plus side. Randy Martinson is joining us with analysis. Randy, I want to start off talking about soybeans. We did see a bit of a bounce or a recovery in soybeans despite all this confusion about the China soybean purchase agreement. So did we just hold support we needed to?
I think we did. I mean, we traded down to some really strong support levels, and that did help the market bounce. And, even in the overnight, we did see a little bit of losses, but then we were able to come back during the day session. I did think that, seeing and what was it, two or three export sales, flash sales being reported helped, but then it was about all technicals, I think, that came through to help push the market higher.
U.S. Trade Representative says the 12 million metric ton China purchase commitments are for the end of the growing season. What does that mean?
That's a good question. I mean, that's something that we have to figure out what their definition of end of the growing season means, because really the growing season goes from May to October. We're past that. So does they mean the calendar year, or are they meaning marketing year? And will this spill over to impact the 25 million metric ton that's supposed to be bought in 25, 26? So there's a lot of questions that still need to be answered there.
And corn and wheat setting back, was that all technical selling pressure or not?
I think some of it was. I mean, a little bit led to from fundamentals with USDA increasing major exporting countries' production yesterday for wheat. I think that spilled over to drag the corn down. Corn is in a trading range. It traded up to the top end of it, and it saw some pressure come in today too.
Corn cannot stay above that darn 200-day moving average, can it?
It can't. I mean, the trouble with corn is that, it's trying to get up there. It's trying to lead strong demand. Ethanol production's good, but, we do have a lot of supply that's got to be moved through. There's a lot of piles and there's a lot of bags sitting out there that the market knows will be coming here between now and March. And I think that's just kind of keeping a little bit of a wet blanket on that market.
Cattle market ended mostly higher on Wednesday. What, anticipating better cash trade again?
I think it's better cash. I mean, we've seen cash improve quite a bit since the Thanksgiving holiday. So right now, cash is leading us again. Demand remains strong. The concern is where exports going to or imports going to be at. But right now, I think the domestic market is kind of leading it.
Thanks so much, Randy Martinson with Martinson Ag. That is Markets Now.